Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube and YouTube AdSense, also called the YouTube Partnership Program. So we're going to be going through kind of the process of getting set up. Let me just give you guys an overview. We're not going to go into too much detail about getting set up because there's plenty of other videos out there that do a great job of that. I want to cover the higher level stuff, the stuff that most people aren't going to cover on YouTube. And I'm always transparent with you guys when I show earnings, when I show proof, when I show the back office of my ClickBank account or inside my YouTube channel. I always want to show proof just to inspire you guys, to help you guys level up. And what this really did for me is it helped me go from thinking small to really thinking a lot bigger about my business and what I can accomplish. So when I was first getting started online, I was really motivated by income and income screenshots and seeing the progress of other people's businesses and other people's YouTube channels in the affiliate marketing space. And so it really inspires me to show you guys income proof, show you guys on the inside of my YouTube channel in hopes that it inspires you guys as well. So with that said, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm always uploading videos on a weekly and even a daily basis right now, teaching you guys how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So after you click that subscribe button, make sure you tick the bell icon to be notified of future videos that I upload when I upload them. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started with YouTube AdSense and how to actually make money with YouTube AdSense. So number one, you want to set up a YouTube channel, of course. That's a given. That's obvious. But after you set up a YouTube channel, what you want to do is you want to go over here. Okay, first you're going to go to, once you log into your account for the first time, you're going to go to Creator Studio, and it's going to take you to this page. And then when you get to this page, you're going to click on Channel, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, right? And then it'll say either like uploading is enabled or disabled, live streaming, monetization, so on and so forth. What we want to do is we want to look at monetization right here. And it's going to be disabled. So what we want to do is we want to enable monetization. That's the first thing that we want to do is enable it. And then after we do that, we want to make sure that we connect our AdSense account, right? AdSense is what we use to actually get paid, right? So we're using the YouTube Partnership Program that's also known as the AdSense program. And so everything's run through AdSense, and that's how we get paid. So you're going to want to go to Associated AdSense account. Now, when you guys first log into your YouTube account, it's going to be a lot different than mine because I've had mine for a while. I've already set everything up. So just in case you haven't set everything up quite yet, which chances are you haven't, that's why you're at this video, you're going to want to go to, again, Status and Features and click Enable on the Monetization section. And then it should take you through the process where you enable monetization, and it will automatically have you set up an AdSense account. In case it doesn't, once you enable right here, you just go to monetization and then you click on Associated AdSense account and you can get that set up. Now, with that said, you might get an error saying that you're not qualified for the YouTube Partnership Program. And what you guys can do is you can go to Google and you can type in YouTube AdSense Qualification, just like I did here. Okay? My goal in this video is to get you to a point where you can start making money on the front end from YouTube's AdSense program. But for those of you that are obviously just getting started and you're wondering why can't I get approved for AdSense yet and the YouTube Partnership Program, well, just in January 16, 2018, they announced new eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. So the channel that you have has to reach at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months, and you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be able to join the program. And the reason YouTube did this, I think, is to avoid a lot of people trying to game the system and spamming videos out there. They want to make sure that the channels that they're offering this program to are quality channels, people providing real valuable information. And so overall, they just don't want people gaming the system. So you want to make sure that when you're getting started, that you're uploading consistently on a consistent basis so you can hit these numbers right here. So I'm going to give you guys an example of exactly how I built my business up to where it's at today. And I know compared to a lot of other YouTube channels out there, this isn't, the numbers aren't, anything to really, go crazy about, right? You can see right here that in the past month, I've gotten 406 subscribers, right? I'm just at 5,000 subscribers, but I want to show you guys what's happening. This is what's really going to inspire you guys to really start shooting YouTube videos and start putting content out there because of the snowball effect that occurs. Okay, I recently decided to really focus on getting serious about building one authority channel, because what I did in the past is I built these little micro channels. They weren't monetized with Google AdSense or YouTube AdSense, and so that's not how I was making money, but I was making money on the back end of my videos by promoting affiliate products. So I'd have links in the description of my videos, tell people to click those links, and they'd buy a product that I'd recommend, and then that's how I'd get paid. What I would do is I'd create all these multiple channels with these little sniper videos that would target specific search phrases that people were typing into YouTube, and I'd rank for those search phrases, and that's how I got traffic and I got sales inside my business. Well, that worked for about 3 years, and then YouTube changed their algorithm to where it is today, and YouTube really loves one big channel where people are posting frequently, right? Where they're posting consistently. And consistent for you right now may be 1 video a week. Maybe it's 3 videos a week. Maybe it's every day like myself. And I want you guys to get to a point where you're posting every day, because YouTube absolutely loves when you're posting every single day. That's where you really are able to shortcut your success and achieve, results fairly quickly. Get your first 1,000 subscribers fairly quickly. But don't just put out content to put out content. Put out content that's valuable, that helps people, that causes breakthroughs for people, that causes them to engage with your videos, to like your videos, to want to watch your future videos. Okay? So what I want to do is I want to show you guys the increase in growth in my channel just in the past 2 weeks. I've been posting consistently for about 14 or 15 days straight, and I want to show you guys what's happened as a result of that. I think it was right around the 14th or the 15th, I want to say, maybe the 16th, that I really started getting serious about posting videos often, right? Videos every single day. And you guys can see, look, it dipped down right here on the 17th. I got 7 subscribers. The 18th, 17, the 19th, 20, then 20 again. Then it jumped back down, right? It's going to happen. And then it went up to 14, and then 21, right? So I'm getting the high right here, and then back down to 11, then up to 20, then back down a little bit to 17, and then check this out, boom, up to 37, and then back down to 22, and up to 32. But you guys can see the consistency, right? You guys can see the increase, I guess I should say, in subscribers over a period of time, right? So you can see that my new highs, right around 20, right, are now my new lows, right around 22. So you can see this chart just in the past 20 days, how I've increased my subscriber base on a consistent basis. And I should expect to get, I would say right now, between 20 and 40 subscribers per day right now as we speak. So that just goes to show you what happens when you post a video daily on YouTube. What I also want to show you is I want to show you guys my AdSense earnings. So basically what AdSense is the little ads that show up before you watch a video on YouTube, right? When somebody clicks on those ads, guess what? The channel owner gets paid, and then Google gets paid, and then the advertiser obviously pays for that view, for that click, right? Typically, if somebody watches an ad that's on your channel for any longer than 30 seconds, that advertiser is automatically charged and you earn money. So they don't necessarily have to click on the ad for you to earn money. They just have to watch the ad for a certain amount of time. So check this out. So this is from in-stream ads that show up before my actual videos. When somebody clicks on one of my videos, you can see in the past 28 days, really again, when I really started taking this seriously was right around the 16th. You can see the increase from the 16th, but we'll start at the beginning here of the month of March. You can see right around $5, right? I was averaging actually probably a little bit lower than that, probably right around $3 or so. So we got $4.32, then $2.23, $2.99, then $5, then back up, and then back down again, and then up and down. But then you look at the 16th, and the trend starts to go up quite a bit, because this is where I start really posting consistently. Again, you guys want to increase your revenue, post quality content, and post more often. I'm going to tell you exactly what kind of content that you should post in just a second here. So you can see, you know, today is the 31st. Typically, it doesn't log the 2 previous days for whatever reason. Maybe it's still calculating the revenue. But you can see on the 27th, $15, so it jumped from $665 way up to $1586, and then $1602, then $1464. So I should expect to see a trend between $10 and $20 per day from now on, as long as I continue to post on my AdSense earnings just on the front end. This isn't even the back end commissions. These commissions right here, when I'm actually monetizing through the description of my YouTube videos. So super awesome. I'm excited. This is like, you know, this is like a car payment. $15 times 30 days, 31 days is right around 450 bucks. That's a car payment for most people. That would like change their lives. So it's really cool to see this increasing as I'm following specific strategies and methodologies that work when it comes to YouTube marketing, right? When it comes to, you know, putting content out there on YouTube that's actually seen. So how do I actually create this content? How do I come up with ideas to create content around so I can monetize with AdSense? So if you're somebody that already has monetization enabled, you've qualified for it, what I'm about to show you next will serve you as well for, you know, somebody that's just getting started, that's just going to start posting content on YouTube. What I would do, of course, when you have a niche selected, right, I would suggest, and I say this in just about every single video, I'm not going to dive deep into this because I have other videos that do that. Find something that you're passionate about. Find something that, you know, after a couple weeks or a couple months, you're not going to get bored of and quit on. So make sure it's something that you like pulls you up in the morning, makes you like excited to get up in the morning to go create content about, right? And then what you want to do is find an expert in the industry that you're looking to go in the niche you're looking to go in, and find out what kind of videos they're creating on different specific subtopics within your industry. So this is what I do. I'm just going to type in a couple of people that I follow. Oops, Freedom Influencer is one of them. Right? He creates videos about affiliate marketing just like I do. So I'll get ideas from his channel. I'll also, let's pull up a couple others. There's this guy named Justin Bryant, and my niche is the affiliate marketing niche, okay? Which basically teaches people how to make money online by promoting other people's products, as I'm trying to multitask and type here. So you got Justin Bryant here. And then there's another guy that I follow. There's quite a few people that I follow. There's Alex Becker. There's also Odie Productions. And this is what I'll do, guys. Like, I will go to their channel. Like, I'll click on Odie Productions right here, right, and go straight to his channel. And then I'll go to his videos right here. Okay? And then what I want to do is I want to sort by popularity. Right? So I want to model videos that have gone viral inside his channel, and then create similar videos on those topics, because a lot of times people like have an idea of a video to create and they go and create it and it gets no views, it gets no traction. So what I like to do is I like to model what already works. Don't reinvent the wheel. So you can see, look, how to make a WordPress website. I could create a video about that. How to make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Here's one I modeled after. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? I actually modeled the exact same title, right? And I knew that, hey, if I just modeled a video, right, not exactly copy the content, but take what I know about affiliate marketing and maybe some bits and pieces of what he's doing, and then create my own version of the video, and then optimize my title the same way, optimize my description similar, and even my tags. And what you guys can do in this video, this is really cool. So I pretty much copied his title, right? Now the thing is, you don't want to copy everything verbatim, okay? I'm not telling you guys to go out there and like steal content. You got to create your own version. You can create bits and pieces, but don't steal everything, okay? But you can see I have this tool called vidIQ. That's V as in Victor, ID, IQ, right, .com. And it's a web browser tool. And it basically tells you what tags that Odie Productions is using in this specific video. So I will copy these tags and I'll use these same tags in my video, when I upload my video on a similar topic, right? And I'll do the same thing, guys, with Justin Bryant's videos. Like, I'll find which videos get the most views, and I'll create similar videos that he's got inside of his channel, okay? And I'll do the same thing with Freedom Influencer. And even sometimes I'll model the thumbnails, sometimes I'll model the presentation. I'll use similar slides, which I've actually done. If you look at Freedom Influencer here, I've actually modeled, you can see this little slide that pulls up. I've actually modeled a slide similar to that using my Keynote. So guys, it's like what amateurs do is they copy. What experts do is they find out what's working and they model it, right? And they model it and model to the T, okay? So if you're just getting started, what I want you to do is go out there, start doing some research for your first few videos. Again, find somebody that's an expert in your industry on YouTube that you want to go into. Write down a list of their videos that's really popular, that's trending, that's gone viral, that's getting a lot of views, and create a video on that exact topic. Make it your own. Add some of your own tips, advice, opinions in the video, and you can take some of what he's doing too as well. But don't like copy everything completely verbatim, right? That's just stealing. So that's pretty much what I do, and it's really that simple. I don't need to use any fancy keyword research tools. I don't need to use the Google Keyword Planner, a lot of these things that I've talked about in the past, because I'm just modeling what's working already out there. So at the end of the day, it's all about simplifying, simplification. And every time you guys find something that's becoming complex for you, you're complicating it in your head. It's actually very simple. So I hope this video really helped you. I hope this video inspires you to start going out there and setting up your channel to monetize for Google AdSense, and that hopefully you're somebody that's willing to be consistent. You're somebody that's willing to work for a while, work and upload videos for the next 30, 60, 90 days, because after you do that, after you pay your dues, that's when passive income comes, right? And then you'll be more inspired to shoot more videos because you're seeing the awesome results that you're getting, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and comment below. Do you have any questions? What topic do you want to go into? What industry do you want to talk about? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to give you some feedback. You guys have any ideas? So with that said, Josh Elder signing off. Check out the resources section below as well. If you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, I've got my top recommended system below that walks you through it in complete detail, and it's so easy your grandma can do it. So with that said, Josh Elder signing off, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the links below for more info on how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Take care.